Hey guys, welcome to Lognaps. Today I'll be showing you how to clear your Facebook cache on your iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now to clear your Facebook cache on your iPhone, you will not be able to do it from the settings like you can do it from the Android. You can see, let's go to the general, and there is the iPhone storage option available over here, just above the background, and the app refresh, tap over there and you can see, scroll down a little bit and you can see there is the Facebook, and you can see the app size is 292.2 MB, but the documents and data it has stored on the cache file it has stored in on your iPhone, or on my iPhone is particularly 46 MB. Let's go to our home and let's open up our Facebook app. And now to clear your Facebook cache, you can see the menu option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on menu and tap on the settings on the top right corner of your screen. There you can see the settings icon, and after that scroll down and you will be able to see the browser option available either on the permissions on your iPhone like this. There is the browser iPhone, or if the iOS has been updated, the icon will be updated, and but you will still be able to find the browser option like this. You can see there is under the permission there is the browser. Tap on browser, and over here you can see your browsing data, and at the side there is the clear. Tap on that clear button and you can see your last cleared on state, which means our browsing data should have been cleared from over here. And there guys, this is how you clear your Facebook cache on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment box, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.